Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel uniquestudy.com, and today we are going to discuss the topic name is conjunction. It is the second part of the conjunction. If you have to not seen the first part of the conjunction, so go to the channel and watch the first part of the conjunction. Okay, so let's start the video. First, in the previous video you have to know about that what is the means of conjunction, definition of conjunction, kinds of conjunction, and also know first part of the conjunction, coordinating conjunction. Okay, today we are discuss about the sub part of this conjunction. Okay, there are some of the sub part of the conjunction. First we are talking about the coordinating conjunction of addition. Okay, coordinating conjunction of the addition like a and, as well as both and, not only but also help to add one statement or fact that another. They are called coordinating conjunction. For example, I walk to the shelf and place the plates on it. Okay, you can see here example. I walk to the shelf. I walk to the I walk to the shelf and placed the plates on it. And place the plates on it. Okay, you can see here this is the first part of the sentence and this is the second part of the sentence, and both sentences added by the and conjunction. So you can see here coordinating conjunction of addition. Addition means to add two sentences. Okay, addition means to add one statement to the another statement. Okay, so we can say that it is the coordinating conjunction. You can see here first sentence is this and second sentence is this. Okay, and both sentences add by the and. Clear? Both sentences add by the and. Same as both Riya and Babita went to Varanasi. Okay, both Riya and Babita went to Varanasi. Clear? So in this example you can see here Riya and Babita, there are two words and both words add by the conjunction and. Okay, and both. So both these words will be the coordinating conjunction. Why it will be coordinating conjunction? Because these conjunction words are this conjunction word add two words. Okay, add two words or add two sentences. Okay, one sentence to another sentence, one word to other word. It's one was to add one sentence to other and one word to other. So this type of the conjunction word will be the coordinating conjunction of addition. Okay, it will be coordinating conjunction of addition. Clear? I hope you all understand. Now next we will be talking about the second part of the coordinating conjunction. So second part is the coordinating conjunction of contrast. Okay, coordinating conjunction of contrast. Contrast means to opposite. Okay, to oppose something like India versus Pakistan. Same as the sum of the words that used for the contrast. So it will be the conjunction of contrast. For example, conjunction like but eight still whereas why help to join statement that express the opposition or contrast. Okay, opposition or contrast, it is the called coordinating conjunction of contrast. For example, he is wealthy but he is unhappy. he is wealthy but he is unhappy. Okay, he is wealthy but he is unhappy. Here is the person that was the wealthy. Wealthy means he has a lot of the money. Okay, but he is unhappy. I think everyone know very well the person who has a wealthy, who has a rich person, there is no problem of that guys. But here is the oppositions. Okay, this is the express the contrast. For example, here he is a wealthy person. He is a wealthy person, but he is unhappy. It means he was not a happy person. So we can say that a word but that was the adding two opposition sentence. So these opposition sentence add by the but word. So this but word will be the coordinating conjunction of contrast. I hope you all understand this example very well. Okay, now next we talking about the third part of the coordinating conjunction. Third part of the coordinating conjunction, that was the coordinating conjunction of choice. Coordinating conjunction of choice. It means some of the conjunction. Okay, some of the conjunction that express a choice between two alternatives. Okay, that is the express the choice between two alternatives. For example, you must hurry up or you will miss the flight. Okay, you must hurry up or you must hurry up or you will miss the flight. You will miss the flight. Okay, we can see here third conjunction is a coordinating conjunction of choice. Choice means to express a choice between two alternative options, two alternative words, two alternative sentence. For example, you must hurry up. Hurry up, here is the given option. You must hurry up or you will miss the flight. You will miss the flight. It means you drop your flight if you became late. There are you have only one option. Okay, that one, if you want to become late, then you miss your flight. If you must be hurry up, then you also get your flights. So here is the option or is a alternative. So we have to only one choice. So first, if we have to add such type of the sentences, so by using some of the words like a or. Okay, or is a word that add such type of the sentences. It is the called coordinating conjunction. Okay, coordinating conjunction. I also gave some of the example. Hurry up else you will be late for the meeting. Okay, he had neither received nor read the letter. Clear? These are the some examples that used for the coordinating conjunction of choice. I hope you all understand. Here now next and last is coordinating conjunction of region. Okay, the conjunction for express in influence, it is coordinating conjunction or region. Okay, it means some of the conjunction that to express the region. For example, Vinod is ill. Vinod is ill. So okay, so he did not. So he did not go to Varanasi. Okay, here is the given region. You have to see the carefully example of parts. Okay, Vinod is ill. It is the first sentence. Vinod is ill. It is the first sentence. And second sentence is he did not go to Varanasi. Why he did not go to Varanasi? Because he is ill. So here is the create a reason. Okay, why he did not go to the school Varanasi? Because he is ill. So here is the express the reason. Okay, and which word express join both sentences? The word so. The word so. So we can say that so word will be the coordinating conjunction of reason. I hope you all understand very well. Okay, so I hope this part, it means the coordinating conjunction, you have to learn very well. Now next we talking about the subordinating conjunction. Okay, subordinating conjunction. There are a lot of the parts of the coordinating conjunction, but here is some of the major conjunction, important conjunction parts that I have explained. Okay, now next is subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction. Okay, subordinating conjunction. First we are talking about what is the means of subordinating conjunction. Okay, so let's see the definition of the subordinating conjunction. A conjunction that join two statements, one of which is depend on the other, is called subordinating conjunction. For example, Tanya is reading the book. Tanya is reading the book because he finds it interesting. He finds it interesting. Okay, he finds it interesting. So let's first you can see here. Tanya is reading the book. Tanya is reading the book. This sentence is completely independent. Okay, it means he has not taken any help to other sentences. Okay, so it is the completely independent sentence. Why? Because because he finds it interesting. If you remove this sentence, then this sentence also expresses all complete sense. Okay, so this is the independent sentence. Okay, and second is because he finds it interesting. He finds it interesting. So this sentence is not complete independent. It is the depend upon, this sentence depend upon Tanya is reading. Okay, reading the book. Why? Because he finds it interesting. If you have to remove this part, okay, Tanya is reading the book. If you remove this part, then this statement was yet completely incomplete. Okay, so we can say that this sentence depends on the first sentence. So first sentence will be the independent sentence and second sentence will be the dependent sentence. And so it is the subordinating conjunction, and which the word add both sentences by adding the because. Okay, because is a word that add both sentences. So this because word will be the subordinating conjunction. I hope you all understand. Okay, it is a simple way to identify of the subordinating conjunction. First you read the sentence carefully and search which sentence is the completely independent and which sentence is the completely dependent. Okay, if the first sentence is independent, then certainly second sentence will be the dependent to first sentence. Okay, and if the first sentence is dependent, then second sentence completely independent. So we can say that some of the words that adding both both sentences. It means depending and independent sentence, and the word will be the subordinating conjunction. Clear? So it is the subordinating conjunction, and it has a lot of the sub part of the conjunction. So we have to learn it into the next class, when we have to join. You have to next class. So next we have to learn about the correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction. Okay, correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction are pairs that join two phrases or words are equal importance. Okay, it is express the equal importance. No one was not depending to the other. So such type of the sentence will be the coordinating conjunction. Clear? Okay, correlative conjunction, that is the use in a pair. It means not only a single conjunction used in a sentence. It means there are two words, two conjunction word used in a sentence. That is the known of the correlative conjunction. I will give you example. For example, we could either take a cab. We could either take a cab or a bus. Okay, so listen carefully. In this sentence you can see here the use two conjunction word. How many conjunction word? Two conjunction word. So first is the either and second is a are. Okay, there are used pair of conjunction in a sentence to join word, sentences or phrases are called correlative conjunction. So you can see here either word is the and or word is the, both are the conjunction word and both are adding two sentences or two words. So this type of the conjunction is called correlative conjunction. In this example you can see we could either take a cab or a bus. Okay, here is the add two conjunction word either or. Okay, so both conjunction word used in a sentence. It means two conjunction word or pair conjunction word used in a sentence. Such type of the sentence, such type of the conjunction word is called the correlative conjunction. So here is the either and or, both are pairs, and so we can say that it is the correlative conjunction. Okay, so I hope you all understand about the coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction and correlative conjunction. If you like this video, so please comment in the comment box. Okay, so thank you for the watching video.